Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machines. Here I'm making a video to show a 10-ton per day capacity cubite machine, cubic shape ice. 10 tons of a cubic shape ice can be made by the machine, and that is based on 30 degrees Celsius ambient temperature, 20 degrees Celsius inlet water temperature. This is how the machine looks from the front, and this is how it looks from the back. It's equipped with one 50 horsepower Hanbell screw compressor. This is the Hanbell screw compressor, water cooling condenser. This is the water cooling condenser. The water cooling condenser is connected with the water cooling tower like that. Okay. This is how the machine looks from the back. All the pipes are covered by black foams, so they are heat insulated. 36 pieces of evaporators are working together. This machine is equipped with two screw conveyors. These are the two screw conveyors. They are installed and they are located in the bottom of the ice storage bin. The ice storage bin is for temporary ice storage. These are the two ice outlets. Ice will come out after we press the foot switch like this. This is another ice outlet, and this is another foot switch. In this machine, we have 36 evaporators. Let's open the doors so we can check the inside. There are altogether 36 pieces of this kind of evaporators, and they are working together. It's only for temporary ice storage. Ice cubes are supposed to be packed into bags as soon as possible. Okay, so this is all I want to show about my 10-ton per day capacity cubite machine. This is the area for ice packing. Ice cubes come out of the ice storage bin whenever your worker press the foot switch. And this is the foot switch. Ice cubes comes out of the storage bin automatically and smoothly. And the two screw conveyors can work together.